Hello! Good day, my beautiful and smart investors. I welcome you to Tiara Estate. This estate is by Amen City. So Tiara Estate is actually Amen Estate Phase 4. So this estate is by Amen City Limited, the developers of Amen Estate Phase 1, Amen Estate Phase 2, Amen Estate Phase 3, and Extension. So we have the Tiara Estate. So Tiara Estate is quite different from the other brands. It's a buy and build land, and it's going to have the same structures the Amen Estate is known for. The same quality, the same finishing, the same world class ambience, quality, investment that Amen Estate name is known for. So this estate is coming with 24/7 top-notch security, electricity, street lights, recreational center, good drainages, good road network, perimeter fencing, green area, health care, and this land is 100% dry land, and it is located in Jaguza zone. It's just close to just 5 minutes drive to the Lekki International Airport, and we have several estates here. This estate is actually the cheapest amongst all the Amen Estate brands. As C of O, government allocation, C of O, very safe and secured land. You can sleep and wake up and you know that your investment is safe. Yeah, as you can see, this perimeter fencing is already done with the Amen Estate type of gate have it in this estate. So with the initial deposit of 3 million naira, you can key into this estate, and you can spread payment plan up to 6-12 months. Yes, so this land is very massive. As you can see, it's a very big land, and you can buy and keep, you can buy and build, you can do everything with your lands here. So let me take you inside. Welcome back. The land sizes available here are 500 square meters and upward, and you can buy as much plot you want. And this is a very good place to put your money. Amen Estate is known for quality, world-class finishing, and people are rushing this brand. And we have over 100 subscribers here, and we have people rushing to come and buy, invest here because they trust the Amen Estate brand. And like I said before, Amen Estate brand is tested and trusted brand with over 15 years of experience of delivering quality housing, quality land investment, securing your investment for you. So for 15 years, people have tested and trusted this brand, and they're coming out with their latest product, which is Tiara Estate. And Tiara Estate is the most affordable right now, and you can key in with initial deposit of 3 million naira and spread your payment plan. So if you want to be among those people who want to own valuable assets along this Lekki corridor, then you know what to do. Make sure you call the numbers. Make sure you call the numbers before you get it sold out. So landmarks around here, we have the Lekki International Airport, we have the Lekki Free Trade Zone, we have the Lekki Free Trade Zone, the Alaro City, the Yiiipppeee Bridge, the Pan-African University. So we have all these major developments along here, and we have several estates along this place. Like, can you imagine how much your land will be worth in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, in the next 20 years? Would be over 50, would be over 100 million naira in the future. So if you want to invest now, you know what to do. Make sure you call the numbers on your screen. So for more enquiries and inspections, you love this estate, you want to take the next step, make sure you call the numbers on your screen. You can send me a message on WhatsApp, you can call me. I'll be here to guide you on your next investment. If you love my videos, what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also like, comment, and share. I will see you at the next estate. Bye.